Hey, what is going on guys? It's the most underrated PC building YouTube channel here, back again with more content. Now, if you save up around $100 for Valentine's but realized, oh wait,
I'm alone forever.
don't worry, I know the solution. It's cause you're not playing Valorant 24/7 sweating on a gamer chair in your grandparents' basement stuck in iron while yelling at your teammate when you're at the bottom of the leaderboard. But fear not, because you could grab the $100 you saved up and spend it on this so it could help you finally get started into your Valorant journey. Now let's get to it. Before I start the video, this video is sponsored by the subscribe button. So click on that subscribe button right now so I could create more videos like this in the future. Now let's get to the video. What I got here is a Dell Optiplex 390. It is basically got everything we need for a gaming PC with a few caveats. It is a MATX form factor desktop PC with an i5-2400, 8GB of DDR3, 500GB of hard drive space, and a 265W 80+ gold rated power supply. It also got a DVD drive if anyone still know what the DVD is. And yes, 8GB is still pretty decent for very budget systems. And of course, even though the i5-2400 and 8GB of RAM are still pretty decent options for those very low budget gamers in 2022, unfortunately the only thing you could do with these specs is to browse the internet and have a patience of a grandparent. And this is where the upgrades come in. Here is a 128GB 2.5-inch SATA SSD, which I recommend everyone to put into a system right away if you didn't already have one, as it'll dramatically speed up the loading process for games, programs, and the operating system. I got this SSD from AliExpress for basically 16 Canadian dollars a pop, which I was able to get them to print me a custom logo, and you can obviously tell where I got the inspiration from. Of course, it can't be a gaming PC without the graphics card, so I went and bought this GTS 450 1GB card off of Facebook Marketplace for only 15 Canadian dollars. This GTS 450 with just 1GB of VRAM means no small feat. Later on, you will see from the benchmarks showing you how capable this GPU still is, considering it came out all the way back in 2010 as an entry-level GPU. But there was a tiny problem which I had to quickly order off Amazon, which was a SATA power to 6-pin power adapter, as the GTS 450 required one and the power supply did not have one. Luckily, the power supply had just enough SATA connectors to complete this budget build. Oh yeah, I also added a RGB fan in the back just for fun. Now with all the upgrades and parts talked about, let's build this gaming PC, and I'll quickly pull up a price tally on the screen for you guys. I would normally say that the performance exceeded beyond my expectations, but this time I think it performed a little bit worse than I thought. Although the GTX 450 is still a pretty good graphics card in 2022 considering it's only 15 Canadian dollars, I would just recommend you to save up like $50 to $100 so you can get a better performing PC like this $150 gaming PC video I did, link in the description by the way. In my opinion, this PC would still be more worth than any girls or guys gender equality you will find on Valentine's, because the only thing that will get played are some games. But if you manage to get a Valentine's Day, good for you, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. With all that being said, if you like the video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you didn't, still give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because it'll help me out a lot. Now go enjoy your Valentine's Day.